Hi there, today we're going to go over the Data Star strategy drawing a phonetic alphabet. So first we're going to cover phonemic awareness and drawing. So phonemic awareness is one of the most important foundational skills for a student to have. When a student has a strong sense of phonemic awareness, they are able to effectively decode unknown words and comprehend while reading. The usage of drawing allows students to connect abstract and concrete ideas together. So how is this related to the science of reading? So phonemic awareness is a crucial part of the science of reading. Within Scarborough's rope, phonemic awareness is a key part of having a strong foundation for word recognition. Being able to effectively manipulate and identify phonemes can help students with decoding and spelling unknown words. Drawing a phonetic alphabet allows students to gain additional practice with grapheme and sound coordination. Students must have a strong foundation of phonemic awareness in order to become an independent reader. So now we're going to go ahead and cover the directions for drawing a phonetic alphabet. So this strategy is appropriate for students who are in preschool to second grade, and of course this can be modified and used for older students who also might need to refresh on letter sound knowledge. So this is good for students who need additional practice with reading instruction and phonemic awareness, and this strategy specifically works on the alphabet and letter sounds. So, you can work with your child to draw animals that make the same sounds as the alphabetic letters. For example, draw a big snake in the sound of an S. Since snakes hiss, they're a wonderful representation of the S sound. Another option could be a buzzing bee. When a bee flies near your ear, they make a loud buzz sound. So you can help your child draw a bee flying across with the pattern of a dashed line in the shape of a Z to show their path. You can also use the initial sound of the animal name for this strategy. The only thing is to be sure that the student knows the name of the animal and can identify it. For example, draw a worm in the shape of the letter W. Since the word worm begins with the W sound, this will also be a helpful aid for the student. And then below, there are some links to different websites that can help you and come up with different ideas and also resources for blank alphabet templates. Now, this is a great way for students to have fun and be creative and really express themselves through drawing and create their own learning by participating in this strategy. So here is just a quick little example of what your alphabet can look like. And then go ahead and pause your video if you want to go over the fidelity checklist. Okay, so I'm just going to break down the fidelity checklist step by step. So the first step is to gather the materials for the activity. So this can be blank sheets of paper, letter templates, pencils, markers, crayons, paint, bingo daubers, whatever you want to use. The second step is to prepare the students for the activities by activating prior knowledge and reviewing different sounds that the letters create. So this is done by verbally making the letter sounds and having the student tell you what letter they think makes that sound. Third step is to brainstorm possible ideas for each letter by presenting the student with a picture of the letter and asking them if they know what animal they want to draw for that letter or if they have any ideas of sounds that animals make that can be drawn for that letter. 4 is to work with the student to draw their phonetic alphabet and help them draw and color their letters. Finally, the last step is to review the phonetic alphabet together by going through each letter in the alphabet and what sound it makes. Be sure to keep this activity in the student's folder or stow it away for the student or even laminate it so the student can use this to practice in the future. Thank you so much for completing this Data Star strategy, and remember to have fun and be creative with it. Thanks.